Hello, now we learn about the verb to have, Czasownik Mieć. For the common phrase, is normally we say, I have an umbrella. In Polish, you say, mam parasol. We have a beautiful flat. Mamy piękne mieszkanie. Mamy piękne mieszkanie. She has a good phone. Ona ma dobry telefon. I have a meeting today. Mam dzisiaj spotkanie. You as a plural have a problem. You have problem? Macie problem? Do you have an umbrella? Czy masz parasol? Does she have a passport? Czy ona ma passport? Do they have a big flat? Czy oni mają duże mieszkanie? I have a small problem. Mam małe problem. Do you, as a plural, have a police course on Monday? I think we'll answer macie kurs polskiego w poniedziałek. In here, dni tygodnia, day of week. Poniedziałek, Monday, wtorek, Tuesday, środa, Wednesday, czwartek, Thursday, piątek, Friday, sobota, Saturday, niedziela, Sunday. The preposition which goes with the days is v, and v as in wtorek, so that it is easier to pronounce at the same consecutive consonant. Notice that the days ending in a change to l. Jak w poniedziałek, w wtorek, w środę, w czwartek, w piątek, w sobotę, w niedzielę. So on Monday, on Tuesday, w środę, on Wednesday, w czwartek, on Thursday, w piątek, on Friday, w sobotę, on Saturday, w niedzielę, on Sunday. Note that days at the week and months are not spelled with a capital letter in Polish. That is how it is. Okay, we continue. Do you have a meeting on Thursday? So it will be masz spotkanie w czwartek. We have a great idea. Mamy świetnie pomysł. Mamy świetny pomysł. You have a very good idea. Masz Bardzo dobre pomysł. Does he have time in this weekend? Czy on ma czas w ten weekend? Do you have time today? Czy masz dzisiaj czas? Just is fine. They have money? Oni mają pieniądze. Pieniędzy. Oni mają pieniędzy. When is your birthday? Kiedy masz urodziny? It is my birthday on Friday. Mam urodziny w piątek. In here, when is your birthday? Translate in Polish, you ask, kiedy masz urodziny? You can also say, kiedy są twoje rodziny? Literally, when are your birthday? Urodziny is plural noun in Polish. And it is my birthday on Friday. Mam urodzina w piątek. Literally, we say, I have a birthday. Mam urodzina w piątek. I have a birthday on Friday. You can also say, moje urodziny są w piątek. Literally, my birthday are on Friday. And in here, we learn about the verb to have or mieć. The conjunction of the verb mieć or to have. Ja mam, I have. Ty masz, you have. On, ona, ono. Ma, he, she, or it has. My, mamy, we have. Wy macie, you have. Oni, one, mają, they have. Okay, today lesson. See you for the next lesson.